to help somebody relive that pain. First one to get them really thinking about the true problem and not just your solution and what it costs. Unpack that for me, right? And you know what, Matt, we're having some problems with reporting. Unpack that for me. Well, you know, Mike, he was our old VP of sales. He wasn't able to get the reports in consistently. He was one of my best friends at the company. We had to let Mike go, right? Unpack that for me. Nobody is going to share with you what's really going on in their organization, what's really going on in their company, what's really going on with them and them emotionally. At the first, they're never going to say that. Okay, what's our biggest reason for having this meeting? Oh, we want to look at the reporting feature, right? They're never going to, well, I'm really freaked out because Mike just lost his job and I might lose my job. Unpack that for me. You know what? We're concerned about reporting. Unpack that for me. We're concerned about our current solutions performance. Unpack that for me. I'm concerned about the person that runs my billing for our practice leaving. Unpack that for me. What's going on there? You're going to find they're going to start to relive that pain.